Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to play Unturned with friends. Firstly, go to Steam Launcher from your desktop. Then go to the Unturned game. Tap on the play button. After this, select Multiplayer. This will take a couple of minutes to upload. Be patient and wait till the multiplayer mode is enabled. So at the left side, there are options for play, settings, workshop, etc. Then select the tab View on Workshop. Now a new window opens. This is where you can add friends. Tap on Add a Friend. Now close this window. After this, quit this game. This is how you can play Unturned with friends. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.